Have you ever wondered how your favorite streaming service just seems to read your mind? Or, how an online store knows exactly what you're going to want to buy next? Well, the answer is this force that's kind of quietly running our entire modern world. It's the backbone of decision making for pretty much every major organization on the planet: data analytics. So let's just start with a really fundamental question. In our super complex, fast-moving world, what's the one thing that truly drives the most important decisions? What's the hidden engine behind everything, from global business strategies all the way down to the entertainment that fills your screen?
It's that simple, and it's that powerful. It's data. Not guesswork, not intuition, but cold, hard data. And look, this isn't just some abstract concept for huge companies. It's literally woven into the fabric of your daily life. I mean, think about it. Those videos an algorithm serves up to you, that's data. The products an online store just knows you'll be interested in, data. Every single click, every purchase, every interaction you have online, it's all just another piece being fitted into this massive data puzzle. And the sheer scale of this is staggering. I mean, we are talking about organizations generating terabytes of new data every single day. It's an almost unimaginable flood of information, just constantly pouring in.
But all that information? Well, that creates a whole new problem. How in the world do you make sense of it all? And that brings us to our first section: turning all that noise into actual insight. And here's the really crucial point. Without the right tools and techniques, all those terabytes of data are effectively useless. It's just chaotic, overwhelming digital noise that has no meaning, no value at all. This creates this fundamental shift in how businesses operate. See, without analytics, a company is always reacting to things that have already happened. But with analytics, it starts predicting what's going to happen next. It's this monumental shift from just guessing to actually knowing, from operating in the dark to having a clear line of sight. So, what does this power of knowing actually look like for a business? I mean, what are the tangible benefits? That's what we're going to dive into next. Oh, the advantages are massive. For starters, you can truly understand your customers, not just what they're buying, but the why behind it. You can optimize your operations, finding and fixing bottlenecks you never even knew you had, and slash costs. It lets you replace those risky gut feelings with solid evidence-based decisions. It's kind of like a telescope, helping you spot new opportunities and trends on the horizon before your competitors do. And finally, it's a shield, helping you mitigate huge risks by spotting patterns that could signal fraud or system failures before they turn into total disasters. Now, that all sounds great in theory, but where is this actually happening in the real world? Let's look at a few examples of analytics in action. I mean, we see it everywhere. That streaming service you love isn't just a library of content, it's an absolute data analytics powerhouse. It analyzes your viewing habits not just to recommend shows, but to decide which new shows to create in the first place. Your bank? It's constantly running analytics to spot unusual transaction patterns that might be fraud, protecting your account in real time. And in healthcare, analysts use data to predict disease outbreaks, which allows public health officials to get resources where they need to be and literally save lives. This brings us to our final and maybe most important takeaway. It's really time to stop thinking about data as just some byproduct of doing business. The crucial point is this: data analytics transforms all that raw information into a core strategic asset. It's just as valuable as your brand, your technology, or your people. It's what gives an organization its sharp competitive edge in a really crowded world. And ultimately, it all comes down to this really powerful idea. The goal isn't just to hoard massive amounts of data. The real skill is in the inquiry. It's all about asking the right questions of your data so you can find answers that you can actually go out and act on. So I'll just leave you with this. Forget about terabytes and algorithms for a moment and just think about the potential here. In your work, or hey, even in your own life, what's a big unanswered question you're facing? And what might you finally understand if you just had the right data to answer it?